So to tell you honestly, शुरू में बहुत बुरा लगता था. Right? We live in a joint family, and we had kids of Sayam's age, and it used to hurt a lot when our own relatives, Sayam's our own relatives used to take away their kids, saying कि हमारे बच्चे को मार ना दे, या तुम्हें अगर शेयर, क्योंकि वो उनसे छीन ना ले उनका टॉय, या कुछ उनका बच्चा कुछ गलत ना सीख ले हमारे बच्चे से कॉपी करने में. It used to hurt a lot because we live in a society where we have expectations from each other, and it started building a lot of aggression, a lot of I will not so I'm coming I'm starting from the beginning, right? Before Sayam went to school, he was 2.5, 3. It started building a lot of aggression,
bitterness, बहुत सारी कड़वाहट थी अंदर.
Bitterness, yes, to be appropriate. Bitterness was the right word. People don't get it. They don't have the world of what we go through. And it used to hurt. But, as we started, we are repeating, as we started working on ourselves as parents, we started realizing that these people don't have a world of autism. These people don't go through the challenges that we go through each day. Or they thinking like that is not their fault.
And if this was not happening with our child, maybe we were one of those.
Who knows? But then everybody wants to protect their child. Everybody wants best for their child, isn't it? Right? So they are also protecting their children. They are also thinking कि मेरा बच्चा कुछ गलत habit ना पकड़ ले. हमारे बच्चे को देख. Whatever they are doing is inside of they protecting their own child. And as a parent, that's completely okay. That may not be okay for us. So when we started, that's why, working on yourself is important, because you get a very different perspective of looking at the same situation. That bitterness started to melt out. When that started happening, I told you just in the workshop itself, when Sayam got admission in a regular school, the first statement that principal said, I can try your child for a month to see if he is not a problem for other children. Now, as a parent, how painful would that be? Right? Who are you to try and decide and judge our child? But we took it as a challenge. Every challenge as an opportunity. People throwing a statement at us or our child is an opportunity for us to improve. So rather than holding on to the bitterness of the statement, we started looking for the opportunity. Okay, what if my child actually thrives in this 1 month? Let me do my best to make that possible. And trust me, all that bitter words, all that negative statements, all that negative feedbacks, only and only when we started looking at from the perspective of as an opportunity, have allowed us to work more and more and grow with Sayam. Okay, we never. So in the classroom, when he got admission in class nursery, the first thing we met his teacher. We explained everything about him. We started building connection with the teacher, taking their support as well. We were working, we were asking with the therapist. We were doing everything so that our child our child thrives. Okay, he is not a problem, but he thrives in the classroom. So problems did come, feedbacks did come, different points, different feedbacks. But trust me, that has helped us to grow. If the perspective shifted, if we have held on to the bitterness would have increased, right? तो एक बार हमें वो नर्सरी में जब वो सेटल हो गया, फिर हमें फीडबैक मिला कि वो बोलता नहीं है, राइट? जबकि वो बोलने लगा था, तो घर में वो बोलता था, then only we got him admitted. So उसके बाद we started, creating videos at home to send it to teacher to see that, he's comfortable speaking these words. वो चार्ट पेपर पर हमने जो एप्पल, मैंगो, बनाना, एरोप्लेन, he had good vocabulary of 300 plus words at that time, but he was not speaking in the environment, was not comfortable probably for him. When when teacher saw that, she got confidence and she started introducing those words to Sayam so that he started speaking. And it fills our heart with joy. At every stage, class 4th में गया, बात सब कुछ बोलता था, लेकिन teacher wanted कि इतना कम क्यों बोलता है, बाकी बच्चे बहुत सादा बोलते हैं. Then we told her everything. Class 4th में the teacher supported, उसको play में role दिया. He started participating in plays. His confidence built up. So speaking is not just a function of talking or knowing the language. It's a function of confidence. Now, let me tell you another feedback. Class 10th, okay, when I went to the PTM for the first time, I sat I was sitting with Sayam in the first desk in the corner. Okay, teacher is sitting in the middle. And we are waiting for our turn, as in PTMs, right? The teacher, Hindi teacher was the class teacher. She started looking here. ये लड़का इतनी बातें क्यों करता है? इस लड़के को इतनी बातें क्यों आती हैं? And I'm looking at Sayam कि मैम किसकी बात कर रही है? He said, पता नहीं मम्मी. Okay, I'm also waiting and listening. पता नहीं किस बच्चे की बात हो रही है, right? I mean, like, I could not react because मैं सुन रही हूँ कि किसी की बात कर रहे हैं. टीचर उसके बाद पॉइंट आउट, संयम तुम ही से बोल रहे हो, इतनी बातें क्यों करते हो, इतनी बातें तुम्हें आती कहाँ से, और तुम्हें हंसी क्यों आती रहती है क्लास में बैठकर. एंड आई कैन टेल यू that was a feedback or a complaint, but that made, I had tears of joy in my eyes listening to that.
There is one trap where normally parents go, where we also went, was that when negative comments are coming from somebody says something to us about our child, judging our child, then there are two kind of emotions. One is the emotion of hatred. That also gives a lot of energy. When we say that we took everything as a challenge, and हर चैलेंज को हम लोगों ने अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह लिया और उसके जरिए ढूंढे, उसको करने के दो तरीके थे हमारे पास. वन वाज विद अ लॉट ऑफ रेज एंड एंगर इन आवर हार्ट कि हम दिखाते हैं कैसे होगा, हमारे बच्चे को ऐसे कैसे बोला, करके दिखाएंगे. बट दैट कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ अग्रेशन एंड दैट कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ it's not a very healthy kind of emotion to give you the energy. And we realized that it took a toll on our health. And it would not be fulfilling as well. Even if we achieve that, it will not be fulfilling. A very powerful emotion would be to forgive. Very powerful emotion will be to forgive and then take those actions. So try that on. That's a very healthy emotion to be in. It's like somebody is giving you some garbage. It's up to you now whether you want to take it or not. Say, I don't want it, thank you.
So rather than holding on to the negative feedbacks, get their emotion behind the feedback so that you don't carry hatred, number one. Number two, you utilize that feedback as an opportunity for you to grow.
But no, we did not keep a shadow teacher, not because we didn't want to keep it, but there were limitations. There were financial limitations as well at that point of time. I left my job. She was almost on the verge of leaving her job. We had to devote a lot of time to Sayam. So there were a lot of things going on, but at the same time, the way we planned Sayam's schooling journey, initially starting from a special school to build the base so that the teachers are more aware, they have knowledge about autism, they know how to take care of the child, to an integrated setup, and then to the we were open for that. So that really helped us, and we didn't feel the need of having a shadow teacher being there all the time when Sayam was there. And we were constantly in touch with the teachers in every PTM, even apart from the PTM. We were the ones who were pestering teachers off literally, and we would ask them, okay, how is he doing? What did he do today? Kya challenges are there? What are the positives? Do you want us to do something at home so that he's improving day by day? So we were always in touch with the teachers. We were even if the teacher gave a negative comment that he's not doing this, he's pushing others, and he's doing this and that. Even if that is there, we saw it with empathy. We saw it from teacher's perspective, and we worked on creating a positive connection with teacher. We validated teacher there. We said, okay, we understand. You have a class of 30, 40 students, and if Sayam is going and pushing somebody, we can understand how hard it will be to concentrate on studies and taking care of that, so that the teacher is left validated. And then there was a chance so that we could build connections. So there was no negativity in terms of our interactions. It may come from the other side, but we never reciprocated that.